Now, there are some people who prefer to walk alone in their lives. They generally take the majority of decisions of their life on their own without much help or support from others. There are another set of people who are always surrounded by their well-wishers and they are able to take the correct decisions in their life because they receive good guidance at the right time in their lives. These second set of people are the ones who generally have the lunar Raj Yogas being operative in their charts. Hi friends, welcome to Swati Surbhi Astro. Today in this video, I will be mentioning about the three lunar Raj Yogas, which are the Sunfa, Anfa and the Durudhar Raj Yogas. So what are these lunar Raj Yogas? The lunar Raj Yogas are formed by the planet Moon. Moon represents our mind in astrology. So it is said that whenever Moon is placed alone in the birth chart of the native, then such a native is surrounded by unwanted thoughts in his or her mind, which can lead one towards the path of pessimism. Also, such a native can overthink a lot. Such a native can be pessimistic in his outlook. Such a native can attract more and more negativity into his or her life because the person feels alone on a mental level. Despite having people with him in his or her surroundings, the person is not able to attach himself or build strong relationships with others. Now, why this happens? Because the moon is alone. Whenever the moon is placed with another planet in the birth chart, or when the moon has planets placed on either side of it, then what happens? Then it kind of derives its strength from those planets, and the mind is able to apply itself in the correct direction. Such a person is mentally active and social in his life. Also, the person is very positive and has an optimistic approach. So, now I'm going to explain the three different lunar Raj Yogas, which are the Sunfa, Anfa and the Durudhar Raj Yogas, starting with the Sunfa Raj Yoga first. Now, what happens when I say that moon is alone in the birth chart of the native? Let us suppose your moon is placed in the first house, and now check the 12th house and the second house, because these are the houses which are surrounding the first house. So if moon is alone in the first house and if there is no planet placed in the 12th house and also no planet placed in the second house other than Sun, Rahu and Ketu. So you have no planet in the 12th house other than Sun, Rahu and Ketu, and no planet in the second house other than Sun, Rahu and Ketu, and moon is placed in the first house. Then it becomes rather lonely in the first house, and there is no other planet placed in the first house with the moon itself also. Then we say that moon is alone in the birth chart, and then it leads to the then it does not lead to the formation of any of the lunar Raj Yogas. So let us talk about the Sunfa Raj Yoga now. Now the Sunfa Raj Yoga is formed whenever there is any planet other than Sun, Rahu and Ketu in the second house from the moon. Now when this yoga is formed in the chart of a person, it makes the person very intelligent, practical and popular in his social circle. Such a person is even admired by others due to his good level of intellect and decision-making capacity. Such a native is usually a self-made person. He is able to accumulate and amass a lot of wealth and property in his lifetime. Such a person is lucky and fortunate in his lifetime. The Sunfa Yoga assures that the person gets company of good people in his life and is able to take the correct decisions by virtue of the help of others who are there to support him whenever he needs them. So this is about the Sunfa Raj Yoga. Now some of the astrologers are also of the viewpoint that the Sunfa Raj Yoga is formed whenever there is any planet other than Sun, Rahu and Ketu in the 4th house from the moon. Now the Anfa Yoga is formed whenever there is any planet in the 12th house from the moon other than Sun, Rahu and Ketu. So when the Anfa Yoga gets formed in the chart of the native, then such a native is healthy, happy and contented in his life. Such a person is also very skilled, very capable, very talented, and such a person is well aware of his caliber and potential in his life. Such a person has a very confident personality, a very charismatic aura. He is able to become popular in his social circle because of his good nature. He is admired by others due to his good nature. So these kind of results can be seen whenever the Anfa Yoga is formed in the birth chart of the native, and some astrologers are also of the viewpoint that the Anfa Yoga gets formed in the birth chart of the native whenever there is any planet other than Sun, Rahu and Ketu in the 10th house from the moon. Now let us talk about the best of the 3 lunar Raj Yogas, which is indeed the Durudhara Raj Yoga. Now how is the Durudhara Raj Yoga formed? So whenever there is any planet other than Sun, Rahu and Ketu in the houses 2nd and 12th houses from the moon, then it leads to the formation of the Durudhara Raj Yoga in the birth chart of the native. Now such a person can be considered to be very lucky and fortunate. Usually such a person can be born in either a well-to-do family by birth itself, or he can amass a lot of wealth once he grows up. So such a person is able to rise to a very high position in his life. Career-wise, the person is strong. Mentally, the person is strong and positive. And whenever such a person faces any kind of adverse situation, he has a lot of courage and a lot of bravery inside him. So he's able to utilize his courage and bravery in the correct direction, and he's able to overcome the challenges and problems that he might be facing or which the life throws at him, because he's able to get the correct support. He's able to get the support from the right kind of people at the right time, and he's able to utilize the opportunities also in a similar manner. He gets good opportunities at the right time, because of which he can be considered as lucky and fortunate. So that is why the Durudhara Raj Yoga is the strongest and the most powerful of the 3 lunar Raj Yogas. Now I would be telling you about some important points regarding this Durudhara Raj Yoga. Now when the Durudhara Raj Yoga is formed by the planets Jupiter and Venus being placed on either side of the moon, then very good results of this yoga can be seen in the life of the native. Such a native can be very successful in the field of politics and can rise to a higher position in his life, in his career. Such a person can be very famous. A lot of people can admire him. He can have a huge fan following in his lifetime. Also, such a person possesses a very stable and a very calm mind. He is able to take each and every decision of his life after due care and caution. And also such a person is very patient. Now, when the Durudhara Raj Yoga is formed by Mercury and Venus being placed on either side of the moon, then also good results of this yoga can be seen in the life of the native. Such a person is soft-spoken, simple, humble and down to earth in his life. Such a person is healthy, happy, satisfied and carefree. He leads a comfortable lifestyle throughout his lifespan. He has good support of people, good company of people, and even enjoys a good reputation in the society. Also, I would like to tell you about the third kind of formation of this Durudhara Raj Yoga, which is not considered to be a very good one. Now, whenever this Durudhara Raj Yoga is formed by the planets Mars and Saturn being placed on either side of the moon, then the results are good, but not as good as in the case of formation of the other Durudhara Raj Yogas. So in this case, what happens that the native might have to face his opponents, might have to face his enemies from time to time, and the person can be having more number of hidden enemies. Also, the person can be in debt also for a certain portion of his or her life, and the person may be financially troubled also for a certain portion of his or her life. But the good thing is that the person is able to overcome his challenges with the help of others due to the support of good people in his life, and in the later years of his life, such a person is able to taste success also, and such a person is able to amass a lot of wealth also. So friends, this was all about the 3 lunar Raj Yogas. So I hope you all liked this video. If you all liked this video and if you appreciate my efforts and if you gained some knowledge through this video, then please do like it. Please do share it with your friends and other family members. And please do subscribe my channel. The name of my channel is Swati Surbhi Astro. I would keep putting in more efforts to bring in more good videos for you in the future as well. Thank you.